Hello, and we're installing DeepSeek on VSCode. It's really simple to do, so watch this video to get an understanding of how to install Ollama and DeepSeek on your system locally, because you will be needing that. As you can see right here, I'm doing Ollama list, which will show me which DeepSeek models are installed, or any local AI model that you may have installed on your system. Then we just have to get into VSCode, and then in here we just need one extension and it should be good. And after you have loaded up your VS Code, just get into the extension section and then search for Continue. This is an open source project that allows you to run an AI model locally or even with an API onto VS Code. So if you have like OpenAI or maybe some other AI that you have the API access to, you can use it here as well. So it's basically your very own GitHub Copilot, but well, not a Scalibate. But in here we just have to go to the continue thing and then select Ollama from the drop down menu right here, and this will allow us to run anything that is installed in Ollama. As you can see, I left it on auto detect because we want it to automatically detect what is installed, and as you can see, it detected that we have these two models. Then I just select which model I want to use, so I'll just go with the 7 billion one. And again, if you have higher models, it will be way more accurate. Now in here I have a Flutter app, so to say. It's just a demonstration purposes, so I can copy the whole thing, and then you can see that before copying, you can see the continue menu pops up, and you can actually just see so a few things we can do. Now just go to continue, and after copying it, if I just paste it right here and let it run, this takes a while because, well, we're only running the 7 billion, but it does explain what is happening in the code. But do not expect the 7 billion or 1.5 billion to give you like really accurate code completions. So again, if you have a beefy computer, then maybe you can do the higher model ones. But for this, yeah, you can also add context and stuff, but as you can see here, it's shown that it's really slow. But that's basically how you install DeepSeek onto your VS Code. So if you're interested in doing so, you can do it like that. But if you have GitHub Copilot, then obviously you don't need this. But that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you found this video helpful, then obviously hit like and subscribe. And you can also support me on my Patreon, and well, there's nothing on there. Also join the Discord server through there as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.